Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to Marinade Finance on Solana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer to Marinade Finance on Solana, first ensure you have a compatible wallet set up. Popular wallets for Solana include Phantom and Sollet. Once your wallet is created, fund it with some SOL tokens. You can purchase SOL through cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. After acquiring SOL, open your wallet application. Locate the option to send or transfer tokens. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to transfer. Next, you need to find the Marinade Finance platform. Visit the official Marinade Finance website. Connect your wallet to the Marinade platform. Follow the on-screen prompts to approve the connection. Once connected, navigate to the staking section. Select the amount of SOL you want to stake. Review the details and confirm your staking transaction. Take note of the rewards system and duration for your staked SOL. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few minutes. Monitor your staked SOL and rewards through your wallet or the Marinade dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred to Marinade Finance on Solana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.